MARS BPO, a leading name in the BPO industry, announces the inauguration of MARS Capital. Its latest branch, located in Gulbarg Greens, Islamabad. The inauguration ceremony was graced by the presence of Minister of State for IT and Telecommunication, Shiza Fatma Khwaja, who officially inaugurated MARS Capital. Established by entrepreneur Mr. Shoaib Akram, MARS BPO has emerged as a beacon of success in the business process outsourcing industry. With a dedicated team of over 2,000 professionals, MARS BPO has achieved remarkable milestones over the past decade under his leadership. MARS Capital signifies a new chapter in the company's journey, representing its commitment to expansion and growth. This newest addition to the MARS BPO network is set to uphold the company's reputation for excellence and redefine standards in the industry. During the inauguration ceremony, the president of MARS BPO highlighted the company's vision for expansion and he presenting new ideas to broaden MARS footprint across Pakistan and beyond. The inauguration of MARS Capital marks a significant milestone in our journey, symbolizing our unwavering commitment to expansion and excellence. As we embark on this new chapter, we invite the youth to join us in shaping the future of the BPO industry, where opportunities abound and potential knows no bounds, said Shoaib Akram, president of MARS BPO. With a strong focus on youth and women empowerment, MARS BPO aims to create over 1,000 new jobs through MARS Capital, providing individuals with opportunity to excel in their careers. I am delighted to inaugurate MARS Capital, the latest addition to the MARS BPO's network. The expansion of MARS BPO reflects the dynamism and growth potential of Pakistan BPO industry. I commend MARS BPO for its commitment to creating new opportunity and contributing to the country's economic development. I look forward to witnessing the positive impact MARS Capital will have on job creation and the empowerment of youth and women in the ICT sector, said Minister of State for IT and Telecommunication, Shiza Fatma Khwaja. During her visit, Honorable Minister of State for IT and Telecommunication, Shiza Fatma Khwaja, was briefed about the services and opportunity offered by MARS BPO. She expressed her support for the BPO industry, recognizing its potential to generate employment and contribute to economic growth.